Welcome to my honest review of Freshchat. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about this chatbot service that's tailored for businesses looking to streamline communication and provide better customer support. Freshchat is a popular tool for businesses that want to automate chat and improve response times for their customers. The first thing you'll notice when you log into Freshchat is the clean, intuitive interface. It's designed to be easy to use, even if you have no prior experience with chatbots. The platform allows you to manage customer conversations in real time, making it a valuable tool for businesses of all sizes. Freshchat offers a lot of useful features, such as automated chatbots, which help businesses engage with visitors immediately. This is especially useful for handling common queries or when you're not available for live chat. Freshchat also offers integrations with popular platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and even email, ensuring you can reach your customers on multiple channels. The system allows you to segment conversations and create tailored responses, which is a big plus for businesses that want to personalize their customer service. I was impressed by the ability to categorize messages based on customer data and automate responses depending on the situation. However, it's not without its drawbacks. While the integrations are helpful, I found that setting up some of them can be a little tricky, especially for those who are not very tech-savvy. The pricing structure is another factor to consider, as it may not be ideal for smaller businesses with tight budgets. Freshchat also lacks some advanced reporting features that you might find in other platforms, which could be a deal breaker for businesses that rely heavily on data analysis. Your business is growing, but handling every message is tough? ManyChat takes over, turning chats into sales. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Overall, Freshchat is a solid choice for businesses that want to improve their customer support experience, particularly for those that need a simple, user-friendly platform to automate communication. It's effective for handling high volumes of messages and can certainly boost productivity. But businesses looking for more advanced reporting and analytics may want to explore other options. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and updates on tools to help grow your business. Thanks for watching.